Hello and welcome to my channel Value Creators. Do you know that your petrol fueled car will become a thing of the past and your car exhaust will emit water instead of carbon dioxide and other toxic gases into the air? Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm going to talk about the technology that has the capability to make this happen. Before we move further, if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, then I would request you to subscribe and share this channel with your friends and colleagues, as we always bring informative and interesting videos. So let's begin. We humans have witnessed many revolutionary inventions and newer technologies that have shaped civilizations and transformed our life to a greater extent. Right from the invention of wheels to the development of modern-day autonomous and connected cars, the automotive industry has seen unprecedented and major changes since the time it was first invented. Today, we all know that vehicles powered by fossil fuels are currently one of the major contributors to air pollution. Different regulations and programs are now being implemented across the globe to curb environmental pollution and climate change. This is the reason why the automotive industry is putting in strong effort and investment in providing a solution to the carbon dioxide reduction challenge. In addition to this, consumers are also becoming more conscious about changing climate and environmental pollution. Considering all these, our automotive industry is moving very fast from mechanical controlled and petroleum fueled car to autonomous, interconnected, electronically controlled and alternate energy sources cars. Breakthrough battery technology coupled with the electrification of the automobile has helped car makers to develop newer technologies like electric and hybrid cars in the recent past. By definition, hybrid cars are those cars that are powered by a conventional engine, an electric motor and a hybrid battery. A hybrid car can switch between the petrol engine and electric motor or combine both power sources as and when required. Since it uses electric power to run, it emits less carbon dioxide than a conventional IC engine car. On the other hand, electric cars is a car which is powered by an electric motor and uses energy stored in a rechargeable battery. Across the globe, we are seeing significant acceleration in the production of electric vehicles because of zero exhaust emission, less noise capabilities, and more savings. Though it has many advantages, there are some technical and cultural challenges that are associated with it. Like, the biggest challenge is directly associated with the battery itself. Though battery technology has evolved and improved a lot in recent times, they are still bulky and heavy, due to which it hinders the payload capacity of commercial vehicles. Next, range anxiety among the electric vehicle users due to the fear that electric vehicle won't have sufficient power for long distance travel. Next, availability of battery charging stations. Next, higher battery charging time. Next, dismantling and disposal of used battery in an environmentally appropriate way. Last, higher initial cost. As battery-powered EV technology has its own pros and cons, there has been a significant upsurge in the use of alternative fuel technology because of that. Hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle, commonly known as FCEV, is one such technology that is gaining popularity nowadays. The most significant difference between hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle and a battery electric vehicle is that hydrogen cars produce the electricity themselves using their own built-in hydrogen tank and fuel cell. Now, let's see the working of a fuel cell electric vehicle. The fuel cell electric vehicle uses the reverse electrolysis technique by reacting hydrogen with oxygen to generate electricity. The whole reaction takes place inside the fuel tank where the hydrogen is supplied from the built-in hydrogen tank and the oxygen comes from the ambient air. The output of this reaction is electricity, heat and water, which is emitted through the exhaust as water vapor. The electricity thus produced either flows to the electric motor or is used to charge a smaller battery so that it can be used as and when required. Now you know how it works. Let's check out some benefit of hydrogen fuel cell technology. The first benefit: hydrogen is a basic earth element and is readily available. Second, hydrogen fuel cells are cleaner and efficient than traditional internal combustion based engines. Third, a hydrogen fuel cell coupled with an electric motor is 2 to 3 times more efficient than an internal combustion engine running on gasoline. This is because of the fact that 1 kg of hydrogen can produce as much energy as 2.8 kg of natural gas or gasoline. Fourth, hydrogen can be produced again and again, so it is considered as renewable source of energy. Fifth, fuel cell electric vehicle has fast refueling time compared to any battery electric vehicle. Last, lesser range anxiety as your vehicle will have sufficient power for long distance travel. We have to keep one thing in mind, that hydrogen fuel cell technology is not a new technology altogether and has its presence since the beginning of the 19th century. Today, hydrogen fuel cell technology is widely used in commercial establishments such as heavy-duty trucking, warehouse logistics, for backup power generation, and many more such applications. Now you may think, if it has got so many benefits and has its presence since the beginning of 19th century, then why this particular technology is not that popular in the automotive sector currently? The answer to this question is directly linked to the challenges associated with the hydrogen itself. The first challenge is, though hydrogen is readily available, it is expensive to produce. Hydrogen can be produced from a variety of resources such as natural gas, nuclear power, biomass, and renewable power like solar and wind. But mostly nowadays it is produced by two most common methods. The first method is natural gas reforming. We all know that natural gas main constituent is methane. So a process called steam methane reforming is currently used to produce hydrogen from methane. Second technique is by electrolysis of water. Electrolysis is the process that uses electricity to separate hydrogen and oxygen from water. If you observe these two methods closely, then you will notice that producing hydrogen is not that environmentally friendly. Unless and until hydrogen is produced via a renewable source of energy, it cannot be touted as a clean and green fuel. The second challenge is related to the density of hydrogen. Hydrogen has a low volumetric density compared to fossil fuels. In other words, a gallon of gasoline has a mass of 2.72 kilograms. The same gallon of liquid hydrogen has a mass of 0.26 kilograms. It is evident that now 1 gallon of gasoline will yield more energy compared to a gallon of liquid hydrogen. This is the reason why hydrogen needs to be stored on board a vehicle as a compressed gas in a high pressure tank to meet the efficiency of the gasoline powered engines. Another disadvantage of using hydrogen is the energy losses during its production, transportation, and storage. If we consider the entire energy chain, then it will be observed that the overall efficiency of hydrogen fuel cell cars will be far less than any electric cars. Fourth, unavailability of hydrogen refueling station. This is the reason why hydrogen fuel cell cars are not available everywhere. Fifth, it is highly inflammable, leading to safety concerns. Sixth, and last, fuel cell vehicles are currently very costly. After hearing all these challenges, you may not think, does fuel cell electric vehicle has any future? So in my opinion, it has future. If all stakeholders, automakers, local governments are ready to invest in this technology and infrastructure. Future of FCEV will depend on higher safety, availability of green and efficient energy hydrogen source, affordability, and sustainable infrastructure. Since this technology is new, there is a fear of unknown among users, which is completely natural. I believe that time and advancement of technology will remove this perception barrier. It is also believed that with time and further research, the cost of hydrogen fuel and the technology will come down. Automakers like Toyota, BMW, Honda, and Hyundai are convinced that hydrogen fuel cell technology can contribute to sustainable mobility alongside battery electric vehicle, provided that the necessary infrastructure is in place. At last, I would like to say that science and technology has always solved our problems, and it will continue to transform our lives in future also. If you believe that this video has added any value to you, then I would request you to like, share and subscribe this channel. Till then, I will wait to meet you again with a new and interesting video.